Okay, so this is like the 13th video I've deleted and I had to start all over. So if I make any mistakes, I am so sorry. Okay, so my topic was exponential decay word problems. Okay, so first we need to know that equation. Y equals 1 plus or minus R T. Okay, so A is your initial amount, so basically what you start off with. So for example, if it tells you have 120 people, that's your initial amount. Okay, R is the rate. If it tells you you have 120 people, how many after you decrease by 4%, that is your, that is your rate. T is your time, so it tells you after 5 years, 10 years, 30 years, just depending on amount on your equation, that's your T. Okay, plus or minus is the growth and decay, the exponential growth or exponential decay, which minus decay, so we'll be with a lot of minuses. I just think you should know that. Okay, now this word problem says the population of Texas decreases by 4%. If we start off at 12,500 people as the rate, then how much will we have after 10 years? Okay, so we started off with the 12,500 people, so that is your A, your initial amount. Then it says it decreases, which means decay, because increases growth. So we decrease by 4%. So what we do is move the decimal 2 places to the left. So there's like an invisible decimal like right here. So you move that 2 places to the left. So you're left with 0.04. So that is your rate. Then it tells you after 10 years. So 10 is your time. Okay, so it tells you after 10 years. So that is your time. So when we plug everything in, it should look like this. Y equals 12,500. 1 minus 0.04 to T. So basically all you do is need to type in this right here into a calculator. So I know you don't have one at home. Like we have one at home, but like it won't do all of that math. You can go to Mathway online. That's where I went. And they gave me the answers. Pretty cool. Or you can download that Wabbit app. And it gives you calculators there. It just doesn't matter. So it gives you all these answer choices. So our answer choice is going to be D. And if you need any help, you can pause the video, go to Mathway, plug in this, and it'll tell you the answer, which will be D. Okay? So let's try one more. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So the next question says, there is 128 participants in a team. During each round, half of the team are eliminated. How many players after 5 rounds? So we start off with 128. So 128 is your A. And then it tells you half. So half is 1/2. You can do 1/2. But if you want to do that to a decimal, it will be 0.5. So that's how I got 0.5 in my next one. And then it tells you after 5 rounds. So 5 is your time, because it tells you how many times. 5. So that's how we got 5 is a time, 0.5, which is 1/2, because it tells you half. So 0.5. I even wrote that 1/2 equals 0.5. And 1 always stays there, and 128 is how many people we started off with. So y equals 128, 1 minus 0.5 to the 5th power. Okay, oops. So it tells you everything basically. All you need to know is how to plug it in, which goes back to our equation right here. All you really need to know is this, and you're good. So once you plug that in, like I said, you can go to Mathway or just on a regular computer, just anything that has a good calculator. You can plug it in. So if you want to pause this video and try to figure it out and try to see if it's A, B, C, or D, you can. But I'm going to already go ahead and tell you. It's B. It will only take 33. I'm sorry, it will only be 33 because you really can't have 0.4 of a person. So when it comes down to the answer, don't put 33.4. It'll just be 33. And that's it. I'm sorry I keep messing up, and if you have any questions, you can just ask me in class or text me if you have my number. If not, oh well. So, thank you.